Hi, hello friends. This is Yatish Kumar. Welcome to Geology Online Guru. In the last class, we discussed about the general characters of sponges. In this class, we are going to discuss about the important system present in the sponges. In the porifera, the folded body contains a unique character, a unique system that is called canal system. Now, our topic is the canal system in sponges. Water canal system is one of the unique system present in the sponges. This water canal system provides nutrition, respiration, excretion to the sponges. Porifera sponges. Our topic belongs to Cycon. Cycon. The canal system in Cycon. The canal system in Cycon, it is one of the oldest or primitive type. Already we discussed it in the previous videos that the body wall of the Cycon or sponges made up of two layers. One is pinacoderm. Second one, choanoderm. Now coming to this is the osculum, pinacoderm, outermost layer, and inner layer is the choanoderm layer. All we discussed in the last class. So here in the sponge body, the body wall invaginates and also evaginates. That means invagination and evagination of the body wall creates folding in the body wall. Folds are present on the body wall. That means the invagination and evagination creates alternation of the canals. The sponge body is a folded body. These folds are created by invagination and evagination of the body wall. Now we are going to discuss what are these folds and how these canals are created and what are the ingredients for the canal system. Now we are going to discuss about the various components present in the canal system in sponges. The components in the canal system. The following components are present in the canal system in the porifera. The first component is ostia, also called dermal pores. Dermal pores. Number 2, incurrent canal. Incurrent canal. Number 3, prosopile. Prosopile. Radial canal. Radial canal. Fifth one, apopile. Sphingocele. Osculum. So these are the 7 components are responsible for the canal system in the sponges. They are ostia, incurrent canal, prosopile, radial canal, apopile, sphingocele, and lastly osculum. These are the 7 components are responsible for the canal system in porifera or sponges. Now we are discussing about the Cycon type of canal system. Osculum, outer pinacoderm, and inner choanoderm layer. Two layers are present in the sponge body, pinacoderm and choanoderm layer. The invagination and evagination of these two layers creates the folding and creation of the alternation of incurrent and radial canals. Now, I am taking a small portion of this diagram. Already you know this is spangocele, this is osculum. Now, arrangement of these invagination and evaginations, the body wall invagination and evagination creates alternation of incurrent and radial canals. This is spangocele. The outermost body part that is made up of pinacoderm layer, and these are the choanocytes, flagellated cells. Choanocytes are flagellated cells. So these flagellated cells are lining in the another canal. So like that, this is the evagination. And this is invagination. So evagination and invagination of the body wall creates folds on the sponge body. And coming to the canal system, the first component in the canal system is ostia. Ostia are also called dermal pores. They are called dermal pores. This is the ostium. The space is called ostium. And this is the outside. And porifera are aquatic animals. This is the outside water. Outside water is present. And every ostium is surrounded by modified pinacoderm cells. So these are the modified pinacoderm cells. These are called myocytes. So the invagination and evagination creates the folds in the sponge body. This is spongocele. And evagination and invagination. Creates two different types of canals in the canal system. So this is radial canal, and alternates with incurrent canal. Once again, there is a radial canal. This means a radial canal, an incurrent canal, another radial canal, then incurrent canal. So alternation of these two canals creates the total body of the sponge, not only in the vertical, diagonal, and also surrounding the body of the sponge. These type of incurrent canal and radial canals are alternatively present. And the ultra microscopic studies revealed that every radial canal is surrounded by 4 incurrent canals, or every incurrent canal is also surrounded by 4 radial canals. And in the canal system, water canal system, the water from the outside water enters into the sponge body through smallest pores. The first component in the canal system is ostium or ostia. So this is the ostium. Ostium is covered or surrounded by modified pinacoderm cells. These are called myocytes. These myocytes are responsible for increasing or decreasing of the diameter of the ostium. So the diameter of the ostium is depends on the contraction of the myocytes. Myocytes are the one type of or modified pinacoderm cells. The water enters into the second component of the canal system, that is called incurrent canal. Incurrent canal also covered by pinacoderm layer cells. So pinacodermal cell layers are present surrounding the outermost layer of the sponge body and also into the incurrent canal. Or the incurrent canal ends blindly. The water enters into the ostium, then to the incurrent canal. Incurrent canal communicates with the radial canal also, means incurrent canal communicated with the radial canal. The third component in the canal system is the prosopyle. This opening, the opening of incurrent canal into the radial canal, this opening is called as prosopyle. That means the water from the outside reaches the ostium, then to the incurrent canal, then enters into the prosopyle. Through the prosopyle, the water enters into the radial canal. Another component in the water canal system is the radial canal. The radial canal, internally it is covered by choanocytes or choanoderm cells. So choanoderm cells are the one type of flagellated cells. They are made up of flagellated cells. So all the choanoderm cells are flagellated cells. This cell lining is present throughout the radial canal. Now, from the prosopyle, the water enters into the radial canal. From the radial canal, the water moves towards the spongocele. So the spongocele, this is the spongocele. This is the throughout the vertical section of the body cavity is the spongocele. The water from the radial canal moves towards the spongocele. So the opening of the radial canal into the spongocele also surrounded by one type of cells. These are also myocytes. They are also myocytes. So these myocytes have a small opening into the spongocele from the radial canal. The opening, this is called apopyle. Apopyle. So from the apopyle, the water enters into the spongocele from the radial canal, and from the spongocele, the water comes outside through a single opening. This is called osculum. It's called osculum. Means the alternation of radial canal, incurrent canal and other components makes the way of the water from the outside to the osculum, and from the osculum the water once again reaches the outside. The flow of water in the canal system is as follows. Water from the outside enters into ostium. From the ostium, the water enters into incurrent canal. Incurrent canal. From the incurrent canal, through prosopyle. Through prosopyle, enters into radial canal. Enters into radial canal. From the radial canal, from the apopyle enters into sphingosyle. From the sphingosyle, the water finally enters outside through a single opening called osculum. So from the outside to the ostium, incurrent canal, prosopyle, radial canal, and from the radial canal, apopyle enters into sphingosyle. From the sphingosyle enters out through the osculum. This is the movement of the water in the water canal system in the porifera or sponges. In the leucocellulia, one type of sponge, the spongocoel is covered by the choanoderm cells. But coming to the our cycon, a primitive type of canal system is present. The spongocoel, this is the spongocoel. The spongocoel is covered by pinacocytes cells. So the internal spongocoel is lined by pinacoderm layers in the second type of canal system. In the leucocellulia, the spongocoel is lined by choanocyte cells. So these are the pinacocytes, and these are choanocytes. So choanocytes line the spongocoel in the leucocellulia, and the primitive type, the pinacoderm cells are lined in the spongocoel in the cycon. Okay, this completes the water canal system in the sponges. Thank you. Thanks for watching. Like the video, share the video, and subscribe my channel Zoology Online Guru. Thank you. Thanks for watching.